Hello, bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, at a constant pressure, what should be the percentage increase in the temperature in Kelvin for a 10% increase in the volume? ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछ रहा है कि परसेंटेज इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर का कितना होगा इन केल्विन if the pressure is constant for the 10% increase in the volume. So options are 10%, 20%, 5% or the 50%. So here the key concept is ideal gas equation. Now ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT, where T is pressure, V is volume, N is number of moles, R is constant, and T is temperature. Now, in the question it is given that at constant pressure, so at constant pressure, increase in the temperature in Kelvin should be 10%. ये कितना होना चाहिए? 10% ही होना चाहिए for a 10% increase in the वॉल्यूम, इसलिए क्योंकि अभी हमने देखा कि पीवी इज इक्वल टू क्या है, एनआरटी है. इट मींस from equation first we have temperature is directly proportional to volume at constant pressure. तो अगर if the temperature is directly proportional to the volume, it means कि at constant pressure जो temperature increase होगा, ठीक है, in Kelvin, it should be 10% for the 10% increase in the volume. So the final answer is A. That is 10%. So the final answer is A. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.